this hair is pretty much like a dark pink. It's a full lace. So what I'm going to do is color it like a dark auburn red. See how it comes out. So I'm trying to I'm hoping like this pink hue disappears. Just waiting for it to process. So this is the finished product. After I finished coloring the hair, I went for this color right here, and I think it did its job. So this hair color was like a hot pink. I would have to show you in an area that I didn't really touch up too well. So you can see it right there. It was like a hot dark pink. So that was why it was so important to color the hair again. That was the way I purchased it. I'm sorry, this room is a mess. This is like my thinking room. And these are where I come up with all my concepts and ideas. It's a mess because sometimes my mind is a mess, and then I clear it back up. I clean it up, and then I go for exactly what I was trying to do once I get all my thoughts together. But anyway, I appreciate Etae's work. I don't know if anybody follows him on Instagram, but he's been doing Nicki Minaj's lace front wigs lately. So right now, I'm going to go back in, pick the hairline a little bit, and then I'm going to bleach these knots here shortly. So I'm pretty excited. Sure, people are using more advanced techniques. I just take a flat tip, pretty sharp edge tweezer. You can get this from like Family Dollar, Dollar General, pretty cheap. And then I just go I want to go at least like 1 inch in from the beginning of the hairline, so about right here. And I want to stop about right there as far as thinning out the profile around the hairline, because I want it to give it like a realistic hairline as if it were my own. So I'm going to do that around the whole parameter of the hair. I've already done it prior to starting this video, and this is how much I took out. I'll do this probably about 4 more times till it's kind of thin to my likeness, and then after that I'm going to do a brief. Alright, I plucked what I wanted really of this unit. I might go a little bit more in this section, and then I'm about to bleach the knots.